Okay, this is the new S8. Good looking box here. I'm changing to Samsung. I used to be a Samsung user, but I've gone through I went through a G4 and a G5 and had a bad experience. Just had a bad experience with both the G4 and G5. The G4 kept restarting, had battery issues. G5 has had signal issues. I've sent it back through the warranty, back to the factory 2 times, and I'm going on my 3rd time. Not to mention, when you record with the G5, and you have Wi-Fi turned on, it gives you issues. So anyway, here's the phone. It's a good looking box, man. It's really good. Wow, the feel is fantastic. I was worried this would feel too bulky and big because it's got a great screen and resolution. But that's actually awesome feel for your hand. I'm excited. There's the back of the phone. Supposed to have some great cameras, front and back. Let's see here. There's a better shot for you. Little control there. There's your little device to remove the SIM card. Looks like it's got some little manual in here. Manual. Setting up all that junk that comes with it. Got your cord. Fast charging, of course. They do give you an adapter. And another adapter. That's nice that they give that to you. You can use your existing cables if you want. Then we've got another USB charger, the new standard one. They give you a pair of headphones with a microphone cable. And some headphone plugs, different sizes. I never really mess with that stuff. So there you go. There's the new S8, what comes in the package. Everything there. I also bought the package that comes with wireless charger. That's a separate deal, but I'll open it just for fun since I've got the camera on. I had to cut the plastic tabs on there. This is your fast charging station. I've actually never seen one of these. So I'm excited to use this. Yeah, this will be interesting to have this. It's a game changer, really. Another USB. So I got 2 chargers. That's cool. Alright, guys, that's it. That's the new Samsung Galaxy S8. I didn't do the S8 Plus, just the S8. So, there it is.